In a sunny backyard, a playful puppy named Max suddenly gets the hiccups, causing him to bounce around, confused and bewildered. Meanwhile, a chubby tabby cat named Bella watches perplexed from her perch, her head bobbing with each funny hiccup. Over in the garden, a pair of rabbits make hilarious attempts to hop while hiccuping, often colliding into each other, proving that teamwork can be quite entertaining. As the sun sets, a curious parakeet named Kiwi starts mimicking the hiccup sounds, creating laughter as he joins in the fun. Finally, a gently grazing goat can't help but hiccup between munching on grass, causing a spontaneous giggle fit among animal lovers witnessing this delightful chaos.